Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur face in CapCut PC. So guys, here I have already opened my CapCut on my PC and I have created a project as well. And we're going to blur the face of this girl. So the first thing you have to do is clicking on the effect option. And then we're going to select body effect. And on this body effect, we have to choose the mask category, this one. Then we can choose the face mosaic right here. Just click on the face mosaic effect. Then you're going to drag this effect to your clip. Okay, as you can see that now the face has been blurred, and we can play the video to take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the result. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can blur face in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.